Hello traders, it's Tomek here from Nikos Trading Academy, and I would like to invite you for our first webinar in 2022. And this webinar will be completely for free. Topic where I will discuss it will be price action. Why price action? Simply because I know from my own experience that I always struggle with this. I always looked for the chart and I didn't understand what exactly price does. I didn't know if we have trend, if we have range, if there is volatility or not. And I also didn't know where to trade exactly. Yes, should I wait for better opportunities if I buy too high or I buy too low or any other thing. So during this webinar, I will show you how to find easily good market conditions for high probability trades and also how to read the charts correctly. So in this way, if you understand the concept of price action, it will be much easier for you to trade. I will of course show you our top-down approach, which is really easy to learn and implement. Of course, like everything, you need to have a little bit experience, but using our top-down approach, it will be much easier for you to understand where exactly you are on the market. Okay. I will also show you how to use our top-down approach to go from the higher time frames to lower time frames, simply because in my opinion, I always recommend to my students that we should pay attention. If we want to trade on the 5-minute, 15-minute or 1-minute chart, we always have to pay attention for higher time frames also. In this way, we will be able to take better trades or high probability trades on the lower time frames if we understand what price does on the higher time frames. Simply because big traders, institutions trades only on the higher time frames, so we want to follow them also. Okay, we don't want to trade against them, but we want to follow. So that's why if we understand how price action works on the higher time frames, it's much easier to trade on the lower time frames where we have a lot of noise. I also show you how to a little bit. I will focus on the mindset a little bit, and I will show you how to make trading journal and how to analyze your past trades. So why we have to do this? Because we want to, if we have any trading system, we want to avoid mistakes. Yeah, so we have to organize our trading. We need to have trading plan, trading journal, and we have to follow everything to remove our mistakes and focus on the good things. This is how we build edge during the trading. Okay, so it's not only that we will just learn the system and we start to trade. Of course, this is the process, but we cannot. We still have to follow some rules, some things to figure it out. Like I said, our mistakes. Yeah. So I will show you how you can prepare something like this easily, and or how basically start with this, because this is really main issue for all traders. Yes, it's that we cannot follow this correctly, and I will going through this. I will also focus on the some mistakes which traders always do, and how to try to avoid them. How to prepare our mindset to focus on the right things when we trade. Okay, because mindset is the key point when we trade. So guys, that's all. Yes. Above you have details when we start our event, and below the video you have small details together with the filling form. So just put the name, put the email. You should receive your confirmation on your email address. If not, you can easily contact me, or you can or also check your spam folder. And last thing, at the end of the our free webinar, I will give you some special bonus. So just sign up. We have only 100 seats, so be fast. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I will be happy to help you. So see you there. See you soon, and have a good day. Bye.